Hey guys, welcome back to the Consultant Mindset. Hope you're doing great. In this modern era, employees are in constant agitation because of overloaded information. Due to the overload of information, they can't even perform well in their workplaces. We have an unimaginable number of choices and decisions to make in our lives. The world is going through tough competition. It is kind of difficult to make the best choice. Due to overloaded information, people get easily distracted and can't remain focused on one particular task. Whenever a human brain is divided into several tasks, the ability of the brain to do a better task reduces ultimately. Are you facing the same problem as well? Is it difficult for you to manage your tasks as well? Has information overload reduced your efficiency? Let's get answers to these questions. Stay tuned. Be cautious about choosing. We should be choosy about our choices. Most of the time people choose those tasks that are not fruit-bearing. The tasks that just drain the energy of employees and are time-consuming as well. It is essential to make the right choices. Carefully choose the task. For example, if you're feeling that this task is not going to get me anywhere and is going to take a lot of my time, then leave it immediately. Go for those tasks that are most important to you and are more productive. If you've so many emails to read, a number of meetings to attend, and projects to discuss, how are you supposed to manage such chaos? You are going to choose those tasks that are most important to you. How can we manage tasks? Let me tell you this. Identify priorities. Well, identifying priorities in life is necessary. We can't go around performing any of the tasks yielding us no good. For instance, priority is acknowledged everywhere. In every area of life, prioritizing things is necessary. In relationships, workspaces, and in academics, almost every area of life. While performing or opting for any task, it is binding on how to first identify the priority tasks. How can we judge whether some tasks are a priority or not? It can be done by emphasizing the outcomes of tasks. The tasks yielding more production will be given plus points and will be added to the priority list. A human mind can remember an average of 7 tasks. So make sure to choose the 4 to 5 tasks that are going to flourish you. Understand the importance. This is one of the major drawbacks. We don't realize the importance of any task and begins to perform it. The tasks having less importance should not be given much time. Wasting time on less important tasks only drains your energy and makes you feel frustrated. Our goal is to become productive with less consumption of energy and time. Analyzing the importance of tasks is quite essential so that we don't go around wasting our energies and time. Putting a time limit. Time limit is important. You cannot just go around wasting your whole life on a certain task. Life is a race, and if you don't run fast, someone will smash you to go ahead of you. Today's world is as fast as a bullet train. We want accuracy and swiftness simultaneously. Those days are gone when you can just spend 9 lives doing one research project. Now it's competition, and we have to buckle up to get through this phase. Allot yourself a time limit so that you won't give it your whole life. Doing the work in the allotted time will make you productive and efficient. In the beginning, it will be tough to manage. But consequently, you will get used to it. It's a requirement of today's era survival. The next point is a pro tip if you want to avoid the mental burden and lag. Schedule the related tasks with each other. The tasks that are alike and somehow related to each other, try to arrange them side by side. This way you are going to do them in a flow within a less time. Doing unrelated tasks together can lead to mental shutdown and a lot of mental pressure to manage things. It's better to do it that way. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.